Welcome to the K Code Show. We got another unboxing. We got the Nike Air GT2 Olympic Safaris, man. These is a special edition they let out for the Olympics, man. They got some crazy colorways, man. Let's get into the unboxing, man. I slid down to Frisco, man. Had to get mine authentic, man. You know, one of the shopping capitals, man. It's the drip god, man. What you expect, man? Make sure you tune in kcode3.com, man. We got a whole lot of entertainment. We got a whole lot of clothing for y'all to check out to pair with y'all stuff because it's cool, man. You know, you got a lot of people to do sneaker reviews. You know, you got a lot of cornballs out there, man. This for the fresh drip, man. When you're looking good, looking fly, man. You know, catching somebody's eye, man. You know, making the world look a better place. Here we go, though. With this unboxing. Let's get to it, man. You know, bam. Unique box, so you already know when they got the unique box, they expecting the price of these to go up, man. You know, be collectible. Let's get to it. First look, bam, when they come out the box. Very stunning look. Very stunning look, man. Look, check these out. Man, these is when I got it on my scale of eye appeal, you know what I'm saying? Foot appeal, man. I definitely gotta give these around an 8 or something like that. You see the safari colors. I don't know why they did that for the Olympics, but that's what they're doing. And you see the open foam. It's the memory foam, so like when you get that cushion when you bounce. But when I tried these on, man, not only did these feel super snug, right? Super snug in the right places. You see they got the extra foam right here just to pad your ankles in places and stuff. They really thought of this. You see the cage is going to kind of hug your foot. And I like that with these, they usually come with that material that the dust really grab onto. But right here, these got some type of almost waterproof material on them. But let's get to this and talk about Nike's React technology, man. Remember they had those shocks that came out with the springs that hurt your foot. Now see, these are an adaptation of that. You see how this is squeezes right here, squeezes that foam. Man, when I tried these on, man, they say these is the jump tools, man. They really give you that boost. So if you play basketball, if you a shooter or dunker, these really give you that extra jump. When I tried them on, I definitely felt the reaction in the jump. Now, as far as just putting them on, rocking them, you do have to break them in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? They do, you know, they reaction time kind of like, you know, until they get more worn in, they not going to be so responsive as, you know, some people like to wear a sneaker that they play sports in that's kind of like a sock. Well, this is not it. This is definitely to strengthen your ankles, give you more power, give you more jump. Definitely, I love these. These are definitely something you would add to your collection, man. You know what I'm saying? And they killing them, man. Look at them. Oh, let's get into the traction on the bottom. Make sure y'all see the hole. And from afar, just with the plain gray and black, I would definitely say with the bottoms giving you that nice little appeal to them, definitely gives them a nice attraction outside of all the other zooms that they've made in this model. So these definitely stick out, and because they're Olympics, you can see straight through. They give these a lot of bounce just to make up for that clunky bottom. They are kind of wide on the sides. That's probably to give you a little bit more side to side traction and stuff like that. I super like them. Nike did their thing with these, and yeah, I'm keeping these in the collection, man. Tell me what you think about them, man. It's the Sacramento Drip God K Code, and this is another unboxing.